If you need to cancel your Shopify free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This will take you to the account management section where you can find options related to your subscription. Step 3. Go to the Plan and Permissions section. In the Settings menu, select Plan and Permissions. Here, you will find details about your current plan, including the free trial status. Step 4. Cancel your free trial. Look for the option that says Cancel Trial or Pause or Cancel Subscription. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation steps, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. Check your email for any further instructions or confirmations. In conclusion, cancelling your Shopify free trial is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. Make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any issues.